Pineapple apple pen.
Okay guys, so in this video I'm just going to show you how to replace wiper blades in a Subaru Liberty or any Subaru car, or the cars with this wiper blade connector. So as you can see, it's the one with the notch at the top. Yep. So let me just quickly show you how bad my wiper blades are at the moment. So this is my front one, and as you can see, it's pretty bad. It's leaving all these watermarks behind. As you can see that it's not doing a very good job, so I'm gonna replace it with the new ones. All right, in the next section I'll put the new one on and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so here I just wanted to rant a little bit about this whole scam here. So these are the factory wiper blades. Yeah, so the replacement for these, have a guess how much it's gonna cost me. You're probably not even close. 85 bucks for both of them. That's insane. So I went to Super Cheap Auto and I checked with some of the other auto retailer stores as well. They were all around the same ballpark, about $80–85 for wiper blades. Can you imagine that? That is insane amount of money for a wiper blade. It's the same printer and cartridge scam. You know, you locked into this adapter and you can't buy anything else from anybody else because it's going to cost you so much money. But luckily I found these Actana ones on eBay. So these were factory ones, $85 a pair. Not factory, sorry, these were made by Triband or something brand, because that's the only one they have available. These ones I found on eBay for $23 for both of them, delivered. Can you see the problem here? This is the smaller one. I have already replaced the driver side one, which is in Australia. So I'll show you how to replace these ones. The first thing you want to do is you want to take this silver sleeve off of the blade. Let's go see if I can trying to do that with one hand. As you can see, it's like a plastic protective cover. You're just gonna have to take that off. And as you can see, this is the connector. Now all you do is, I'll also show you how to take it off actually. So you see this notch that's coming down. All you gotta do is you gotta find it on your wiper blade arm. You bring it in there, slide it in. That's it, and it's plugged in. And if you want to take it off, see that square notch in the middle? You want to press that and you can just slide the blade out like that, and that's it, and it's going to come out. And if you want to put it back in, you just slide it back in. It's as simple as that. Yeah, anyways, let me show you what it looks like after I've already replaced the wiper blades. So this is the mess made by my original ones. As you can see, there's just streaks everywhere. Let's see if I can try to get it from the outside. So yeah, there you go. You can see it better on this angle. There's just streaks left from my old one. Pretty bad. Okay, let's try it with this one now. Beautiful. Absolutely clean. As you can see, these 23 wiper blades have done an amazing job. So I am pretty happy with my purchase. So yeah, $23 for these Actana wiper blades compared to $85 from Triband or whatever, or Subaru is probably gonna cost something similar in the range. So yeah, I hope this video helps you guys. And then again, you know, I'm not making these videos so you will subscribe me or anything like that. I'm just making these videos to help you guys out. You don't have to subscribe me, don't even have to leave a comment. But if you have any questions, then by all means leave a comment down below and I'll try to answer that as soon as possible. All right guys, I'll see you later. Bye.